For layering basses, I will use 3. One for high, one for mid, and the latest one for mid and sub. Let's start with each first one. Using LFO1 to wavetable position, level, and filter. A bit of noise. On FX panel, add distortion, compressor, and Combs filter. And small modulation with the EQ using LFO1. For test, I will add a simple pattern. Now send this sound to a channel, and add some OOTITI and a few disperses plug in. A simple cut to low frequencies. Finally, a wave shaper. Now let's clone, make a few changes to the sound, and this will go to another channel. Same process as the first one, a few changes, but this time adding sub-bass. another channel. And for Avoid Add One-to-One plugins, just right, click to a channel, save as, hold, and release in the channel you want. Layer 1 sound to long. I will short this a bit. And is ready. Let's check with a better MIDI pattern. Check out the Dubstep production suite, containing over 8,000 sounds and 600 Serum presets. Link on description.